Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Clash of Clans on MacBook Pro. Since Clash of Clans is a mobile-only game, you'll need to use an Android emulator. These programs create a virtual Android device right on your Mac, allowing you to download and play mobile games. This approach is effective for both Intel-based and Apple Silicon Macs, ensuring everyone can join the fun. To get started, you'll need to choose a reliable Android emulator. Popular options include BlueStacks and Mumu Player Pro. Mumu Player Pro is specifically designed and optimized for Apple Silicon Macs, offering smooth performance. BlueStacks is another excellent and widely used choice that works well across different Mac models, providing a robust gaming experience for many mobile titles. Once you've selected an emulator, download it from its official website and follow the installation instructions. After installation, launch the emulator, which will present you with an Android interface. From there, access the Google Play Store, sign in with your Google account, and search for Clash of Clans. Download and install the game just as you would on a mobile device, then launch it to begin playing. For the best Clash of Clans experience on your MacBook Pro, consider these tips. Ensure your Mac has at least 8 GB of RAM for smooth performance. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background to free up system resources for the emulator. Finally, a stable and fast internet connection is crucial for uninterrupted online gameplay and quick loading times. Enjoy building your village.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.